At Brock, I have been able to unite two of my passions, science and volleyball. In my home country, I would not have had the opportunity to manage these two things at the same level of excellence.
I was given the chance to collaborate with an emerging volleyball program, share my experience with the younger players as the team captain, and represent a university known for having the best fans in Canada while studying at a high-profile university and living in a gorgeous and safe area.
I knew that pursuing a biotechnology major would require a lot of commitment with classes, labs, tutorials, and doing all of that while being a varsity athlete would definitely be challenging. What I did not know was the great support that I would have at Brock. Going from the workshops offered by international services to my academic advisor's tips, to the personalized support I've always had from Brock Sports, I've always felt there was someone to count on. Besides the research opportunities I've had since second year, my Brock experience has given me a lot of interpersonal and leadership skills, which will definitely be an asset when I apply to be a researcher or a winemaker, a brewer, a food scientist, you name it. All of the support that I've had at this university gave me nothing but a lot of pride, the Brock Badgers pride. This is certainly going to be an experience I'll never forget. Experience, come to Brock.